Hi, I'm Doug, and I was sent this really cool all-in-one home gym. Let me show you how it works. This is the space in my garage where I'm going to install the machine. It's concrete block, which works out great for this setup. You can also use drywall by drilling into the studs. Here's a look at the packaging, and both racks came fully assembled, so I didn't have to worry about installing the pulley system, which was a huge time saver. The mounting block is the first component to install. It sits about 84 inches high, or you could stand up the racks and kind of eyeball it. Once you get your mark, you'll then need to drill in your holes. It comes with 8 expansion sleeves to hammer in those holes, and then 8 self-tapping screws. Here's a look at the 2 latches, and that's where either side of the rack will snap into place. Once the mounting block was in, we wanted to make sure that the rack was even at a right angle before we drilled in the next holes. My dad brought his level and drill, which was a huge help for this project. Here he is drilling in the next 2 top holes for the left rack. There's also another hole we'll drill at the bottom. We repeated those steps on the other side, and voila, our machine was set up and ready to go. I loved the versatility of this machine. It's got the Smith machine for both squats and bench press. You can also take that same bar and lift it up and use it for any type of pull-up. So it can hold my weight, as you can see there, perfectly. It's also got the pulley system, which you can have in the upper position, or if you wanted to do curls, you could put it in the lower position. So again, so much versatility with this machine. You can also change the resistance. The machine comes with its own bands, 100 pounds, 70 pounds, 50 pounds, and 30-pound sets. Here's a look at that dual pulley system where the bands will attach. Also, when you're ready to put the machine away, you can screw in the feet, which hold it in place, and that will allow you to push it back up against the wall. And probably the best feature of this machine is simply the fact it's so compact. You can see here in my garage, I've still got room to pull in another vehicle. So if you're looking for a compact solution that can do it all, this is one I highly recommend.